What's going on, Mania students? This video is going to be on using the wheel balancer to do sticky weights instead of the traditional hammer on the side of the rim weights. What we're going to do is take our alloy wheel and find the centering cone that fits in the middle. This guy right here. Slide that on the spindle. Put our tire up there. And the wing nuts, if it has the cup on it, like this one still does, pull that guy off. Take the round one, snap it on. And we are going to use a lug centric adapter because this cup does not fit on the side of the rim very well. To figure out which setting you need, go to the fit guide, find, in this case, Hyundai Santa Fe. It says use the number 2 plate, and the orange holes, which is 5 holes by 4.5 inches. And that's what we have here, the orange hole, 4.5 inches. These are going to go where the lug nuts would traditionally go. Take the wing nut, tighten it down. Alright, tire is now snugged down and ready to be balanced. On the screen up here, press the balance button. Remember, it is not a touch screen. And in the past, you have taken the 2 arms and held them here and here to tell the computer we're doing clip weights. However, we are not going to do that. We're going to take this inner arm, flip it upside down, and now tell it where we want to put the weight on the inside of the rim. These orange squares here represent wheel weights, sticky weights, these guys here. And we're going to place that on the right edge of where the sticky weight is going to go. So I have this one in the right position. I'm going to step on the pedal. I entered that one in. And now we're going to tell the computer where we want the inside one. All the way over here. And it's just to the left of where the spokes are. Enter that one in. And now it wants to know exactly where the spokes are so we can hide the weights behind them. So first spoke is right here. Enter. Rotate to the next spoke. Hit enter with your foot. And it has calculated the rest of the spoke placement. Put the measuring arms, data arms back. And we're going to close the lid and let it spin. Alright, it says my wheel is not balanced, and I can correct that by adding 1 ounce of weight on the left side and 2.25 ounces on the right side. You can see the laser has now turned on down here, and that'll bring us to the next step. We're going to take 1 ounce. Each of these weights is a 1/4 ounce, so 25, 50, 75, 1. And before I stick those on, I need to take a little bit of brake cleaner, spray it, don't put the can upside down, take the wire brush, as long as it's not a chrome wheel, give it a light scrub, and then take the towel and wipe it off. Try that again, take the towel and wipe it off. Now that it's nice and clean, the weights can stick to the rim nicely. I'm going to peel the backing off, sticky side is exposed, and place the laser right in the middle. And then press down so they stick to the rim. We rotate to the next one by hitting the start button. Now the 2.25 ounces is green, my arrow down here is green, and my laser down at the bottom is on, telling me where I need to place them. 2.25 ounces is 9 weights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to peel the backing off. And I'm going to go 4.5 weights over so the laser shines right there in the middle. set it down, and then stick it into place. Now I've got both sides in, it's dynamically balanced. We've balanced both sides of the rim, and I can close the hood, give it a spin. And the computer shows that it is okay on the left, okay on the right. The reason there's two okays over here is that sometimes it splits the weight to hide it behind the different spokes. The other thing to look at is my wheel runout. It's showing 11 thousandths or 0.011. That's excellent. The general accepted limit is 0.030 or 30 thousandths. In this case, my wheel is nice and round. I shouldn't have any vibration issues. It should be nice and smooth on the highway. All right, thanks a lot for watching. You guys know where to get questions answered at. Talk to you later. Bye.